Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.5% against the yen. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw Bitcoin fall 0.6% against the dollar. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World stocks were pinned down as investors awaited U.S. data expected to offer clues on inflation, which could spark a scaling back of central banks' giant stimulus packages. The SEC is now looking at 6 applications for Bitcoin ETFs, as investors are waiting for the agency to greenlight the first crypto ETF in the U.S. The dollar index traded in a narrow range as the greenback held steady against the euro, lost ground to the British pound and Canadian dollar, and gained on the Japanese yen.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. core personal consumption expenditure will be released at 12:30 GMT, the U.S. personal income at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's business climate at 900 GMT. Finland's gross domestic product will be released at 500 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions at 1930 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP-NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.